Number 4 is Sovol SV04 IDEX 3D printer. Regarding the best 3D printers under $600, the Sovol SV04 IDEX printer steals the show. Get ready to unleash your creativity with this impressive machine. With its 4 different printing modes, you can print 2 colors, 2 materials, or even 2 models simultaneously, opening up endless possibilities for your projects. Assembly is a breeze with the SV04's modular design, so you can dive into your creations faster. The 300 by 300 by 400 mm build volume provides ample space for your ambitious designs, while the flexible spring steel plate ensures hassle-free print removal without any tools. With the upgraded 32-bit TMC 2209 silent board, enjoy a whisper-quiet printing experience while benefiting from enhanced stability. And remember the built-in 500W power supply, which ensures consistent performance and protects your printer from unexpected power surges. So if you are interested in this 3D printer, then check out the link provided in the description to purchase it right now.